Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored.
Hello there! Welcome to my shawl tutorial video that Noah requested. There'll be two styles. Let's start with the first one. There'll be two sides, a shorter one and a longer one. So go ahead and adjust the shawl however you want to look on your face. So I like my style to be like this, where I do two folds like this and then I pin it under my chin. My style is tight and not the normal loose style, so this is how I personally like it. Then go ahead, take the shorter side and put it on your head like so. Yep. And then take the longer side and make sure there's a fold like this, and then you go ahead and wrap it around your head. And then you make sure that the part under your chin is loose. So the difference between the first and the second shawl is that the first style, you take the area near your chin here and then you drag it and pin it together with the end of the longer side. Pin it together with the end of the longer shawl and then you tuck it under your chin like so. So the first style, you have like a bow style at the back. And then the second style, you just put the longer side in front. And then you pin it at the side. Yep, and you're done. That's just it. You can also pin it at the side to secure it, so it will look like this from the back. So yeah, this is my two shawl styles. I hope you like it. Bye!